tapped into this rejection block. Can you see that?
Yep.
Tapped right into that rejection block. Let me make that a point of interest. Yeah, and then we had Asia. Okay, we had Asia. Now London is about to open. So right below the Asian low, what did we have? Not on the 4 hour, I guess. Yeah, on the 4 hour, what did we have? Right below this, a rejection block, a tiny one. You see that? Okay, yeah, a very tiny one right below this. So yeah, I bought it here. Stop loss was below these areas. It was somewhere around here. Yeah, because I didn't want to just have my stop loss right below this. That's 0.9 pips. That's not possible. So yeah, this was the setup. First target is always the Asian highs. So that is where I pay myself, and that's it. Then gives the rest. So see, I have 1 to 5. That's more than enough. Easy. Taps and then it goes. Okay, so that's it. That's all for that day. So a very clean setup. A very clean setup. Yeah. So where will the next monthly candle open? The next monthly candle will open in here. And then when it opens here, from here to here, what do we have? We have an imbalance, right? So that imbalance would be a point of interest. Okay, so you could have refined this. I did take the sell from here. So all of this liquidity is being fed into that level. See, this was the previous week's high, I guess. Yeah, this was the previous week's high. All of that liquidity is being fed into the monthly point of interest. I did refine it to some zone. I don't remember. I think it was into this this hidden base kind of thing. You can see, you know what hidden bases are, right? Yeah. Yeah, we had a hidden base. I refined it to something on the H1. Yeah, I don't really remember. Yeah, let's check. Not this though. I think, yeah, you know this, right? On this, for gold, on different brokers, it has different data. Okay, so I think this order block was lining up with this zone on FTMO servers, something like this. Okay, so yeah, we had all this liquidity being fed into that level. And yeah, so let's check. So now the market has turned bullish in here. Okay, you can see that, right? The market has turned bullish. Okay, stop fund, breakout structure, all of this will be liquidity, swept that. And yeah, now it's starting to go up.
If you do a flip, that's 50% exactly.
Yeah. Okay, so all of this liquidity, and then I think it tapped into some not that clear. Let's check the 4 hour. Yeah, it was a 4 hour breaker though. You can see this, right? It was a 4 hour breaker. So price tapped into that, and there you go. Yeah. Yeah, this was where I tapped into. See, oh, instantly you have around 270 pips. So easy. Okay, see.
Melting.
Yeah, look at this. Where did this buy come from? Oh, rejection block. You can see that, right? So you can just go on and on from them. See, look at that. Look at the precision. No drawdown, basically. Like even this day, I bought it from a 1 hour rejection block.
Drawdown isn't even a thing these days.
It just taps, and then look at this.
Crazy.
Taps and boom, 200 pips. Okay, so that's more than enough, right? Like what more do we need, right? What more do we need? Like, yeah, even a sell from here. Let me show you. Yeah, there we go. Rejection block. See that? Okay, look at this. Let me show you. Okay, so now it has tapped into this. The lower time frames turned bearish. First thing, we have the order block. Taps starts to fall. Then we got a rejection block. Taps starts to fall, and then we got another rejection block. And yeah, there you go. So 3 beautiful entries. Okay, so if you did not take it from here, look at all those entries. Look at that. Taps, 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 and yeah, that's all we need, right? That's all we need. Exactly. Like, yeah, it tapped into the higher time frame. Okay, and then there we go. Breakout. So I told you, breakout is your direction, right? Breakout is your direction. So it tapped, broke out. Look at this. Taps, 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 and then it starts to fall. That's it. Okay, so the thing is now, like I told you now, the main thing is we have to stay detached from the market. Now, who cares about who cares about where the market really wants to go, right? If you got your setup, if you have 100 pips from this trade, like who cares if it's going to reverse from here, right? Who cares? You don't care until the next day. Okay, so focus on just one single setup a day, and then that's it. You're out. Okay, so you see this, right? You have multiple opportunities. Okay, if you have multiple opportunities, if you do the multi-time frame analysis properly. Okay, so yeah, very easy, very easy. Okay, so yeah, what else? What else? What doubts do you have?
Let's go. I just put the questions in the chat quickly.
Oh, yeah, let's see. During Asia or just before London Open? Yeah, not during Asia. Actually, wait until Asia ends. Okay, wait until Asia ends.
Number one.
Yeah, that was your first question, right?
Yeah.
When can we start analyzing charts for the day? Is it during Asia or just before London Open? Yeah, it's not during Asia. It's gonna be before. Like, I'm sorry, after Asia ends. Okay, so for example, let's check GU quickly, like this. Okay, now only after this time. Okay, after this time, you come into the charts, you check what's gonna happen. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
You come into charts at this time of the day, and even this tapped into a daily QML, I guess. Do you know what QMLs are? Yeah.
Is that the Quasimodo?
Quasimodo, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, the Quasimodo levels. Okay, so
Quasimodo,
these
yeah.
levels are also very important. So if you use a line chart, you can see this very clearly. Can you see that? Look at the precision. Then taps and then it starts to melt. Look at that. Okay, so it taps and then instantly. So now we know that Asia has obviously tapped into that daily zone and also into a 4-hour and a 1-hour rejection block. Okay, and then yeah, was a strong high was created. So a strong high was created. Let's check the 15-minute. Yeah, a strong high was created. Liquidity taken out. And yeah, structure was broken. You can see that, right? The formation we need very clear.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, at this time of the day is when like I normally start analyzing. Okay, because now London, for me, London opens at 12:30 and London kill zone is at 11:30. Okay, so this time window, this is when everything happens. Like normally, if it's gonna manipulate, yeah, this is the time, you know, when if like the time that's it's gonna happen. Okay, and another thing is if it's not gonna manipulate, it's gonna do a retracement only at this time. Okay, at this time of the day. So always make sure you stay active during these time. Okay, these hours. So and also this. Okay, wait for this to end. Wait for this to end. That's the main thing because this will show you what the market really wants to do. See what happens. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, this was a little bit late though, but yeah, after like 30 minutes after London Open, there we go. Retraced back into this rejection block. There was nothing on the higher time frames. Taps and yeah, then it starts to melt. That's it. Like even this. Okay, now I did not take my entry from here. Okay, I did not take my entry from here. I took it from here. To show you what do we have over here? Another strong high, right? Why? All of this liquidity was cleared out. Okay, and then structure was broken. So which means this right here will turn into a strong high, right? This will turn into a strong high. Then I told you, what did I tell you? When a strong high is created, we have to check the higher time frames, right? Otherwise, to see who took out the liquid, we're going to look into the higher time frame. So if you go to the 4-hour, we had an order block. Can you see that? Okay, we had an order block that was created in here. Okay, right here we had an order block, and then there was liquidity sitting right below it. Yeah, there we go. This thing turns into internal range liquidity. We refine this into this rejection block, and that's it. Okay, this was NFP, I guess. Yeah, look at that, easily. Okay, so it started melting. So that's it. Okay.